Hey guys, how you doing? I've been thinking about you all. I wanted to come on here and get over this week's activities and just see where we were and how we're doing. I need you guys, to help get me through this, just like we're trying to get y'all through this. I need your feedback. I need you at my Google Meets. I need to be able to see you. So let's start with my honors students. So I know that most of fourth period is ready for me to open set 3 questions. We got 5 weeks left and you only have 4 sets. I'll probably wait until, let's let second period try and get caught up. Second period, y'all got to get on it and get section 2 done, or set 2 done. On the rules 2 through 4. So I hope you're enjoying the book. I know you hate answering the questions, but the book is so good, and I encourage any of my other students, if you want to read this next year sometime, this is a great book for anybody. So let's look at, we're going to do 3.07. All 3.07 is email. Watch that video that I talk about doing email for you guys. Managing media is the different types of media that you will use promoting something. Choosing whether you want radio, television, newspaper, do you want it on a billboard, how to compute the cost, and your quiz. And then 309 is really, or not 309, 401, my bad. It's a really short slide. I think it's 4 slides, that's it. And a quiz. So you don't have a lot this week as far as, I'm trying not to give you too much work. I don't want you overwhelmed. I want you to be able to do what I've asked you to do and it not feel like you just can't handle it. So I'm hoping that that's the case. So our Google Meets are on Tuesday. And hey, Israel Flores showed up and he and I had a good conversation Tuesday. He was my one and only. He gets extra credit for that. I can't require you to do the Google Meets, but they're important for a couple of reasons. Why are they important? It's hard for me to teach and not know how you're feeling or what you're thinking or are you learning or what's going on with you, because I'm so used to getting that in the classroom. So it's important for me to keep me rolling and keep me going to be able to help you know what to do or how much is too much or how much is not enough. I need that feedback. One of my other classes has suggested and I know a couple of other teachers are doing this, a nighttime Google Meet, like around 6 or 7, instead of doing it at the 10:45 for second and 1:45 for fourth. But it's just a time for us to come together and not only talk about content, but talk about answer questions you have about this new grading thing, talk about your frustrations during this time, whether it's school related or not, just to see each other and know that we're going to get through this together. That's why we do the Google Meets. They're important for you and for me. So if you guys think that one in the evening would be better, I can create a poll and just see if I need to try and do one in the evening to get more people on. I know some people are working. They have shout out to a couple of you who've let me know that you've taken a job during this time to try and help your parents out, and that's fine. I appreciate you letting me know that, but if I could do a Google Meet at a different time that would help you, I would. I don't want to overwhelm you with Google Meets either. That's why I only do 1 a week. I know some classes are doing them 2 and 3 times a week, and I just think that's a little much. You only need to see me once, I think, but that's just me. So you've got 3 objectives, 307, 308, and 401. 3 quizzes. Honors, you got to get through set 2 because most of 4th period is ready for set 3. So if you've not done set 1 and 2, you need to get on it, on your discussions. Like I've told most of you, I've taken away any other honors projects that I had. I've taken them out. You're not going to have to write a paper on this book. You're just answering those questions, so I know you've read it. And so be working on that. You guys need to hit me up on Remind if you need anything. I will put a poll up to see if we need to do a nighttime Google Meet. I'm fine with that. You guys know I was trying to. I asked a couple in one of my other classes this week in a Google Meet. I said, "What's the song that defines your life this week?" And I think for that day, mine was "Pressure," "Under Pressure" by David Bowie and Queen, because I just felt so much pressure, and I know you guys feel that way too. So that was the song that defined my day. We were just talking. So sometimes in those Google Meets, we just talk and we laugh. That felt so good to laugh with those girls and talk about the songs that were their defining song for that day or this week, and just be together and just be just know that we can still be together. And it's no pressure, there's no grade, there's no, but I shout out to those who have been on, and you don't have any idea how much that helps me, because teaching at a distance, even though I've taught online for years, you guys didn't sign up for an online course, so I need you to get me through this. I need you to keep me going and keep my spirits up as well. And so you guys just keep on keeping on. I hope to see you Tuesday. If you are in the 2nd period and can't be there at 10:45 and want to come to the 1:45, that's fine. Vice versa. I realize some of you aren't up at 10:45. That's what I've been told. So you can come to the 1:45. That's fine, but I'll plan on doing those Google Meets again Tuesday, and I'll put a poll out there and see if you guys want one at night, and we'll see what we can do. I hope you have a great week. I promise the email 1307 is the one that the video is the longest. 308 has the most information, and 401 is super simple. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I can't wait to see you guys soon. I hope you're doing great. Stay healthy.